But if you guys didn't know, it is the #1 time for getting ready for taxes, and you can actually completely file your taxes in Ledger. You don't just do the crypto part. You can completely file them there now as well. So, and I do have great things to say about this company. I worked with this company for real, and I do, believe it is very good for your crypto taxes. This is who you need to use. And of course, it is sponsored by zenledger.io. If you're someone who needs to do crypto taxes because you did crypto trading and you don't want to hide from the government for the rest of your life, make sure to hit up zenledger.io.
Crypto taxes don't have to be complicated. With ZenLedger, you can save money and file stress-free in 3 simple steps. Step 1, import all your transactions. ZenLedger connects directly to your exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or wherever you're trading. Just select your exchanges, click import, and you're done. Step 2, let ZenLedger do the heavy lifting. Our intelligent platform automatically categorizes your trades, staking rewards, even your NFTs. So no more spending hours sorting through transactions. Step 3, with one click, generate your tax forms. It's fast, accurate, and ready to send to the IRS. You'll have your forms like this without the hassle. That's it. 3 easy steps and your crypto taxes are done. So why wait? Get started with ZenLedger today and file your taxes with confidence. ZenLedger, crypto tax made simple.
It's like ooh la la, ooh la la.